I'm Aletha with WTI, and I struggle to have enough space for things like my coffee maker, my K-cup coffee maker, a teapot, espresso maker. All those things just cannot fit on a small counter. So I have my Ninja DualBrew coffee maker. It makes more than just a pot of coffee. It makes tea because it makes hot water. It has a built-in frother. I love it. Not only can I make regular coffee with the strainer, but I can also brew K-cup. It's an awesome product. I really love it. It has a really nice reservoir that keeps plenty of water over here. It keeps water for if I just wanted to have a cup of water or a whole pot of water. The hot water function will go from hot to boiling, depending on what you choose. That means I can make a bowl of oatmeal because the water gets boiling hot. This is a great product. I love it. All in one space. You can't go wrong with the Ninja DualBrew coffee maker. It has so many features, everything all in one. One thing I really like about it is the measuring spoon. It just goes right back in place. It's there for me when I need it. I just take it off. It has the exact measurements that I need for a pot of coffee or a travel cup or a regular cup. So this is the DualBrew coffee maker by Ninja. It is a space saver and it is an awesome product. I love it. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.